Life is busy, we get it. Sometimes you barely have time to breathe, let alone cook a healthy meal from scratch. But here's the good news. Eating healthy doesn't have to mean slaving away in the kitchen for hours. This is your guide to quick, easy, and delicious recipes, perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want to fuel your body right. We're talking minimal ingredients, simple steps, and maximum flavor. No more excuses about not having time for healthy eating. We're about to show you just how easy it can be. Get ready to discover a world of tasty and nutritious meals that are ready in a flash. Let's get cooking. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a healthier you. But who has time for elaborate meals in the morning rush? Enter the mighty smoothie. 1 cup mixed berries, frozen or fresh, half a banana, half a cup yogurt, Greek yogurt for extra protein, a 1/4 cup milk or juice, optional, a handful of spinach or kale for a hidden veggie boost. Just toss everything into a blender, whiz it up, and you've got a delicious and nutritious breakfast in under 5 minutes. The berries are packed with antioxidants, the banana provides potassium and energy, and the yogurt adds protein and calcium. 1 cup chopped pineapple, fresh or frozen, half a banana, half a cup mango, fresh or frozen, half a cup coconut water, 1 handful of spinach. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. This tropical delight is like a vacation in a glass. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C and bromelain, which aids digestion. Mango adds sweetness and vitamins A and C, while spinach sneaks in some extra iron and fiber. These smoothies are incredibly versatile. You can customize them to your liking by adding in other fruits, veggies, nuts, or seeds. Salads don't have to be boring bowls of lettuce and a sad tomato. You can pack in tons of flavor and nutrition in just a few minutes. 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cucumber diced, half a red onion, thinly sliced, half a cup crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl, toss to coat, and enjoy. This salad is a powerhouse of protein from the chickpeas, healthy fats from the olive oil, and fiber from the veggies. 1 can tuna in water, drained, a 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1 celery stalk, chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped red onion, salt and pepper to taste. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and serve on a bed of lettuce or in a whole wheat pita bread. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health. Get creative with your salads. Add different veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and dressings to create your own unique combinations. Section 4, Wraps of Goodness Lunch on the Go. Wraps are perfect for lunch or a quick dinner. They're easy to assemble, portable, and endlessly customizable. 1 whole wheat tortilla, half an avocado mashed, 1/4 cup cooked chicken breast shredded, 1/4 cup salsa, and 1/4 cup shredded lettuce. Spread the mashed avocado on the tortilla like you would with mayonnaise. Top with chicken, salsa, and lettuce. Roll it up tightly and enjoy. Avocado provides healthy fats, chicken is a lean protein source, and salsa adds a burst of flavor and vitamins. 1 whole wheat tortilla, 1/4 cup hummus, 1/4 cup chopped cucumber, 1/4 cup chopped bell pepper, and 1/4 cup shredded carrots. Spread hummus on the tortilla, top with veggies, and wrap tightly. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, while the veggies provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You can use different types of tortillas like spinach or sun-dried tomato for added flavor and nutrients. Section 5, One Pan Wonders Dinner Doesn't Have to Be a Chore. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. That's where one-pan dinners come to the rescue. 1 boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup chopped bell peppers, half a cup sliced onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss all ingredients in a bowl, spread on a baking sheet, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through. This recipe is a nutritional powerhouse, providing lean protein from the chicken, fiber from the veggies, and healthy fats from the olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, half a pound smoked sausage, sliced half a cup chopped onion, 1 cup sliced bell peppers, and half a teaspoon Cajun seasoning. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add shrimp, sausage, onion, and bell peppers. Cook until shrimp is pink and cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with Cajun seasoning and serve. This dish is packed with flavor and protein, making it a satisfying and easy weeknight dinner. These one-pan wonders require minimal cleanup, saving you precious time and effort. Section 6. Quick Bites, Big Benefits. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By incorporating these quick and easy recipes into your routine, you can nourish your body with good food even on your busiest days. Remember, every small step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen, try new ingredients, and find what works best for you. Eating well is an act of self-care, and these recipes are here to make that journey delicious and achievable. So ditch the takeout menus and embrace the joy of quick, healthy cooking. You've got this!